A year ago, Tyre Nichols, a 29-year-old Black Fedex worker, faced the Memphis Police, and on January 10, 2023, 3 days later, Nichols was transferred by Memphis police officers on evening January 7. Traffic has rapidly screaming throughout country, and after release disturbing bodypoint city Memphis, it turned into a physical change that initiated investigations, law enforcement procedures. After the death of Nichols' traffic stop, Memphis Police Department culture and legal procedures remained questions. Tire Nichols family files after the police encounter after the death of Memphis Turning Point Civil Case. 5 civil servants, all black, were dismissed for state crimes, including the second degree, and to be confronted subsequent accusations. They were accused of dealing with witnesses, interfering witnesses, and deliberately ignoring them. Federal accusations could have been sentenced death for each civil servant, but the Ministry of Justice chose to eliminate this option and sentenced maximum life imprisonment. In the federal system, Tadarrius Bean, Demetrius Haley, Emmitt Martin III, and Justin Smith, second degree, aggravated man kidnapping, heavy attack, official abuse, and official pressure, including various state crimes, including innocent pleasure. Officer Desmond Mills Jr. He made a guilty objection for the prevention and excessive power of justice. He proposed 15 years of imprisonment. The second-degree conviction is sentenced to 60 years of imprisonment and fines reaching $50,000. Tyre Nichols Investigation Regional Lawyer says there is no intention of protecting anyone. Why was Tyre Nichols transferred? Initially, Nichols stopped under suspicion of reckless driving, but this claim withdrawn by Davis, who announced that there no evidence that there no traffic violation. However, despite 3 ongoing legal action, the motivation behind stop was not explained. 8-minute body cams from the traffic stop. The civil servant's mother's home in a suburban region began to defeat Nichols'u. 5 police officer repeatedly kicked him and hit him with a prolonged truncheon was seen. He declared that he was on his head from blunt force trauma. After the death of Tire Nichols, this event led to the evaluation of law enforcement practices and led to intensive efforts for reform. After the death of Nichols, the 6th officer Preston Hemphill, including a large number of civil servants, deputies, and emergency intervention teams were fired. After the death of Nichols, the Ministry of Justice launched a civil rights investigation into Memphis Policing. Mr. Nichols' family launched a lawsuit millions of dollars against both the police department and the city Memphis. In response, the city of Memphis made a dismissal movement by connecting Nichols' tragic death to the actions of 5 bandit police officers.